Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really serious question for you. Is it time to sell my Nike stock? If you watch my last video where I showed my stock market portfolio, you saw I was averaging about 36%. However, Nike was actually down in my portfolio. And if my memory serves me correct, it was down 50%. So me, who is averaging 3 times more than what the stock market tends to average in a year, I'm actually a very, very good investor. And I've been doing it for almost a decade. But Nike is not as profitable as I would like it to be. And, I do like Nike. I like what they stand for. I like what they are as a culture, who they are as a culture. But it's really hard to gauge this shoe business. It's hard to understand what they're going to do in the future. It's hard to understand how they can improve in the future. I mean, they are a big brand, just like Pepsi, just like Coca-Cola. They'll continue to do the same things. Not much innovation there. And because of that, should I really hold on to Nike? Is Nike going to bounce back in some way, shape, or form to where they do something that I've never seen before? How can they innovate? How can they change my perception of them? Now, I bought Nike because I believed in the culture. I believed in what they stand for. I believed in the shoe brand. They popularized it. They made it in that medium tier of it's expensive, but not too expensive. Most people can afford it. However, I really can't gauge their growth. I really don't understand what they can do to make their product more appealing. It's already appealing, and as they raise the price, there are people who are going to be turned off because, again, it's in that middle tier where if they raise it too high, they're going to lose opportunities, and if they put it too low, they're going to be looked at a cheap alternative. They're going to be looked as the cheap alternative, and they don't want to do that either. So Nike has been really, really good at pricing. However, where is the growth? I don't really see a sustainable path for them. And as I'm saying this, you might be smarter than me and you might be selling all your Nike stock. It's already down, so there's really no incentive for me to talk bad about it, especially when I have it in my portfolio. But it's less than 1% of my portfolio. So if I lose the couple of $100 that I have in it, so be it. Hopefully I make it back in this video. But yeah, Nike is just, I don't know. I'm hoping, I really am. I'm hoping that they turn around and they do better. But in a recession, well, I wouldn't call this a recession, but we've had a lot of growth year over year. We continue to see growth even now. Yes, there is some job loss. I understand that people are struggling. People will always be struggling in good times and bad. But now more than before, completely understand. However, I think that this is bad news for Nike. You don't need a loan to buy Nike shoes and they're still underperforming. So what is going on with Nike? It is speculative. I don't understand how they can continue to scale and grow. And because I don't understand how they can continue to scale and grow, I don't understand their future. Yes, I like the asset. Yes, I like the company. Yes, I use the company, but there's some negatives there that is hard to really, really buy into. It's almost like Bud Light. Bud Light had one bad commercial and boom, they're off the face of the earth. They might even go extinct. They might be a dinosaur. They might just go extinct. I hope that doesn't happen to Nike. One bad press run and boom, you're out of there. So, yeah, what are you thinking? I'm genuinely curious. I want to know what you're thinking because this is a stock that is up in the air for me. After looking at my portfolio today, I'm thinking I might have to get rid of this thing. I might just have to get rid of this thing. Or is it a hold? Do I hold? Because I'm definitely not putting money in it. But do I hold? Because I don't understand where it's going. If it was negative 50% and it was Apple, I would be throwing money at Apple right now. Why? Because it's at a discount and I know that I'm going to get a good return. Is Nike at a discount, or is it going back to where it's actually supposed to be? That is what I don't know, because it's all speculation. It's almost like Bitcoin. So when I was talking about Bitcoin, you don't really know its future. You don't know what it stands on or anything like that. That's how I'm feeling about Nike right now. And of course, they're going through a downturn. And so it's easy to feel this way. But truthfully, how do you project Nike's success? How do you project it? Let me know, how do you project it, because I don't know. And because of that, I may have to get rid of it. So if you like this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. You know I post every single day at 8 a.m. daily on YouTube and on Rumble. And I can't wait to see you on the next one. Peace.